So what are the best penny stocks to buy on February 11th, 2025? Well, number one recommendation is Fujian Blue Hat Interactive Entertainment, stock symbol BHAT. It is up today 70% or 5 cents, trading only at 12 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded, listen to this, 801 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap for the company, though, is roughly $50 million. So what can I tell you about this company? Well, obviously they're involved in some kind of like entertainment, interactive entertainment. Maybe they're running some kind of website, so they're similar to Netflix. Who knows? You have to go and check it out. But the main thing is that 6 months ago, it used to trade at 60 cents a share. Then it gradually collapsed to like 1 cent. And nobody was really trading it while it was collapsing. However, in the last, I would say, month, suddenly we start to see some trading volume, which kind of tells you that something was cooking in that company, and investors that were in the know, so to speak, were acquiring those shares. But as a public company, they need to report any kind of important business developments with them. And apparently this is what happened today, and the stock is going wild. While we was speaking, it already traded 804 million. So just 3 million shares in like 1 minute that I was talking about them. So if I were you, I would definitely go take a look, see what's going on, what kind of technology they're running, what kind of entertainment they got. So because it looks like it's the hottest stock on the market right now, at least by trading volume. So Fujian Blue Hat Interactive Entertainment, stock symbol BHAT, only 11 cents a share. Next one is Ocean Biomedical, stock symbol OCEA. It is up today 41% or 6 cents, trading at 20 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 426 million shares, again in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap for the company, though, is roughly $12 million. So what can I tell you about this company? Well, obviously, it's a pharmaceutical penny stock. 6 months ago, it used to trade at $1.20. Then it gradually collapsed all the way to like 10 cents. So some kind of news, I guess, were released yesterday and probably today, because suddenly the stock that was never really traded much was producing like 800 million shares in trading volume. Today it's producing 426 already, and it also comes with a nice jump of 36% in actual stock price. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what kind of news this company is releasing, because as I said, with pharmaceutical companies, there are certain events that will drive the stock crazy. But the main thing is, if you decide to pull the trigger and actually buy those shares for 20 cents, and they go back to like $1.20 where it used to trade 6 months ago, I mean, you're looking at a 600% gain on that stock. So a very lucrative investment opportunity, to tell you the truth. So Ocean Biomedical, stock symbol OCEA, only 20 cents a share. Next one is Dominari Holdings, stock symbol DOMH. It is up today another 36% or $2.29, trading already at $8.40. Since this morning, it already traded 25 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is roughly $70 million. So the interesting thing is, this stock was on my report for 3 days in a row. When I started reporting on it, it was $3 a share 3 days ago. Now it's already $8.40, and this thing is kind of unstoppable. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on with this crazy stock, because it's dominating the stock market with its gains. Maybe that's why it's called Dominary Holdings. Who knows? But it is a very interesting opportunity, even though it could be dangerous because just a month ago it used to trade at $1. Now it's trading $8.43. So you will be buying, if you decide to pull a trigger, at the highest point for the last 6 months. And if something doesn't work out, this thing could crash. But right now it's going very strong. So who knows how many days we have left before this thing starts to kind of like, cut its gains, or maybe taking some losses for correction. So take a look. Dominary Holdings, stock symbol DOMH, only $8.55 a share. Next one is Lipella Pharmaceuticals, stock symbol LIPO. It is up today 35%, or $1.09, trading at $4.14. Since this morning, it already traded 33 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is roughly $7 million. So, again, this company was in my report about 2 days ago, because something is happening with this pharmaceutical penny stock. I guess they're releasing some news, and this news are kicking like the hell out of investors, because everybody is jumping over each other trying to get those shares. When I started reporting on this thing, it was trading at like $2.50. Now it's already trading at $4.15. So it basically doubled in a matter of a couple of days. So, but it's still kicking. It's still producing very nice trading volume and price gains. So who knows how high it will go. So if I were you, I would take a look and see what kind of medications they're developing, what kind of news they're releasing, because it sounds like the stock is hot. So Lipella Pharmaceuticals, stock symbol LIPO, only $4.14 a share. Next one is Society Pass Incorporated, stock symbol SOPA. It is up today 47%, or $1.20, trading at $3.83. Since this morning, it already traded 6 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is roughly $20 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? Well, I'm not sure what they do, but the name of the company sounds kind of interesting. Society Pass. Pass to where? So, who knows? But the main thing is, for the last 6 months, it was basically an unknown company. Nobody was trading it. It was hovering around 50 cents, not going much up or down. However, something started to happen. And in the last, I would say, month, it started to release some kind of news. And suddenly we had a spike in trading volume when it produced, it looks like 300 or 400 million shares in trading volume on like February 1st, or about that time. And when they released those news, the stock went from $1 to like $2.50. Then it couldn't sustain itself, started to decline a little bit. So and it kind of went down back to $2. However, I guess they kept releasing some news, and the stock again started to accelerate, and it went from like $2 right now to like $3.50. So the stock is definitely on a huge bullish trend. So because it just went from 50 cents all the way to like $4.23 in a matter of a month, which is like 8 to 9 times of its original price. So take a look, something is hot there. Society Pass Incorporated, stock symbol SOPA, only $4.27 a share. So guys, I'm using my app for this report. The app is called Penny Gems. I actually wrote this app, and I wrote the algorithm and the whole thing that basically generates those buy, sell, and hold ratings for about 2,000 penny stocks trading on the stock market under $5. Go to this website, pnn.com, and download my app. It's available for iPhone, Android, and Amazon Fire tablets. So, and you would always know what are the best penny stocks to buy. Don't have to wait for my report. Just open the app and it will tell you right away what I will be talking about today, this morning. So thank you for your time, and good luck trading. Bye bye now.